Good evening. A few light sprinkles or two about the maritime island region and the windward coast of Viti Levu this morning lingered through to lunchtime before mostly clearing, otherwise fine. Showers were generally pretty insignificant and barely enough to wet the ground, and the remainder of the country stayed fine with no rain was reported in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. this morning. Little change in the satellite image from yesterday, with some spotty convective clouds still evident along the SPCZ to the far north over waters extending from ocean waters north of the Solomon Islands across Tuvalu to the atolls of Tokelau. Little change in the wind pattern from yesterday, with moderate east to southeasterly trade winds still well established over the Fiji group and nearby islands. No significant changes are expected over coming days as local sea breezes continue to moderate daytime temperatures. It's all pretty familiar right now as the dry sunny weather continues again tomorrow across the west with light trade winds and fresh afternoon sea breezes. No rain in sight for the farmers. Up north, there is also nothing new to say, with fine weather and mostly sunny skies. Moderate trade winds keeping weather settled, while fresh afternoon sea breezes can be expected during the day. And fine weather with a mix of sun and clouds also for the central and eastern divisions. No rain expected, however few afternoon clouds can be expected above the inland hills of Viti Levu later. Moderate east to southeast winds with fresh afternoon sea breezes during the day about the larger islands, low to moderate seas and a low easterly swell on open waters. With the days getting longer, it's nearly time for us to shift our clock forwards as daylight saving time starts this Sunday. Daylight saving time in Fiji officially commences Sunday 1st November at 2 a.m. local time when we move clock forward to 3 a.m. For rugby fans, this is important because the game will now start at 5 a.m. However, that time is for those who put their clocks forward. If you have not put your clock forward and set your alarm for 5 a.m., you will miss the first half of the game. That's all from us for tonight. On behalf of the MyTV and NaDraki team, have a pleasant evening.